guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my videos. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by again. I really appreciate it. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you like and comment, because why not? Why not? Today I'm gonna be doing a wig review. Guys, you know, every time I come here without a wig on, you know it's about to go down. I started my channel reviewing wigs and I was like, you know what, I need to go back to things you guys love watching, and that's affordable wigs. I am a girl on a budget. I love to save my coins, so I always like to find nice wigs that looks like it's like 20 times the price but only like a quarter of that price. Okay, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this wig right here that I got. It is part of the Sensational What Lace line, like the Hairline Illusion lace wig line that they came out with. It's like they have this Swiss lace collection, and it's in the style Solana. This is what it looks like. We're gonna see if it fits the part. Okay, this wig was $52. I got it from Samsbeauty.com, and I was like, I actually bought this with my own money. Okay, with my own money. It wasn't sent to me. It was my own money, so ain't nobody got time for this. Okay, it better be good. It better be good. Let me unbox it. I haven't even opened it yet. I was like, I need to open it on camera. I got this wig in color 1 because I love me a jet black wig. Like it just looks so nice. So I was like, I'm gonna get me a jet black. So I got it in color 1. Color 1 is usually jet black. This is what it looks like. Let me try to take this off. It comes with this thing right here. We're gonna cut that out because we don't need that. It comes with a hairnet like that. Oh, it is pretty. It is beautiful. So let me put it on first before I cut out the lace. Okay, this is what the wig looks like. Wow, it is so soft. I don't want to run my fingers through it until I cut the lace, just so that I could see what I'm working with. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. One thing about this wig cap is like it's really tight. Of course you can adjust it in the back, but it's really tight. Like it's holding my head really snugged, which I absolutely love. I hate like when synthetic wigs are like moving. So they claim to have a really good lace. This is what the regular lace for other wigs look like, and this is what their lace look like. So we're gonna see when we cut it out. It also claims to be pre-plucked and you don't need any like leave out, obviously, because the front lace wig, love that. But this hairline is giving me life. Like, do y'all see this? Giving me life. I don't need to pluck this at all. I don't need to pluck this. Just a little bit, but you don't really need to. I'm not gonna pluck it. I'm just gonna, like, you know, customize it real quick and show you guys what it would look like. But this is really flawless. You could use heat on it up to 400 degrees. Okay, I'll probably use my hot comb to just lay this down a little bit, but so far it feels really great. It's really light. It's not like too light to where it feels like synthetic-ish, but it's light to feel like it's not heavy, which I absolutely love. Before I put it back on, I want to let you guys know that this wig came with 3 combs, 1 in the back and 2 in the front, which I don't like to use because for me it gives me headaches, so I just don't like to use that. So I have cut out the lace and the wig is on. I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I'm more of a side part type of girl, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a side part because side parts are just so pretty. You can do middle part if you want, but for me and my household, we're gonna do side part.
Painting pictures with my body. There's just something about me. When I get around you, I move so different when you're watching. There's just something about me when I get around. I save my lips for kissing, baby. Come and listen to the language in my vibe. I don't need words to show you. I wanna get to know you. There's a message for you to find. Read my hips, see me side to side. Read
I'm not gonna like lay down over here because you're not even gonna see it. It's gonna be a waste of time. So let me show you guys what the hair looks like.
I think I know what we both want. Can't control sometimes, souls got minds their own. When they know what they both want, I think I know what we both want. I save my lips for kissing, baby, come and listen to the language in my vibe. I don't need.
I love this little bang right here. I'm gonna take some out a little bit just so that it won't be too much on my face.
To show you I wanna get to know you. Put your hands up and down my thighs. Read my hips, baby.
Okay, so I have cut out enough layers so that it could fit my face. As you could see, it perfectly fit my face. I didn't need to cut right here because here I don't mind how it looks, but right here I wanted that, you know, layered look. So that's what I did. I absolutely love this wig, guys. Like, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna wear this to work on Monday. It's so pretty, and you could wear it wherever you want to go. If you want to go to the club with it, you want to go to your professional job with it. I love that you could put it either middle part, side part. I just personally like side part because it just complement my dimple, the only one that God gave me better. So I just like to put it on that side. But I absolutely love this wig. Love this wig. It's just like so bouncy and just so beautiful. You guys definitely check this wig out and purchase it. Let me know if you get it and how you like it. Let me know how it's working out for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this. If you want me to continue showing you guys cheap and affordable bomb wigs, let me know and I will do that for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Just like that. Read my